So I get asked this all the time. How do I fix drainage issues in my yard? So let's dive into this. Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. Isn't it wonderful looking out your backyard and seeing the lush green grass and beautiful gardens you adore? But what if you can only see water? Man, that's a hassle. Drainage issues can cause your backyard to flood, destroying grass and gardens, as well as outdoor living spaces, and making your backyard inaccessible. If you have a swampy backyard, there are some simple fixes you can make. What causes your backyard drainage issues? This problem can be caused by a number of factors, including improper grading of your property, poor soil irrigation, unmanned eaves and downspouts, incorrect installation of landscape features such as fences, decks, or patios. Once you've identified the main cause of the problem, there are several actions you can directly take to address these issues. Some are simple and can be DIY'd, while others require professional assistance. Here are some immediate fixes for your yard's drainage problems. Number one, grading. Grading is one method that can help with yard drainage. Creating the proper slope can aid in the movement of surface water away from your home. People are frequently surprised to discover that even minor grading changes can make a significant difference. Number two, underground piping. Yard drainage solutions usually include underground piping. The goal is to direct water away from your property. This could simply mean shifting it to your yard's lowest point, perhaps in a common area where other homes are also draining. That unused area may remain flooded, but your yard can now dry out from the water diverted. Number three, retention zones. Taking it a step further, creating a type of retention area where the water drains is an environmentally conscious yard drainage solution that will allow the water to slowly percolate back into the ground than flooding it. A similar area can be created with the right combination of decorative river rocks and water-loving plants. Number four, downspouts. Another thing to think about is your downspouts. We're often surprised about how many homes have downspouts that empty right at the home's foundation. Not only does this pose a risk of flooding your basement, but heavy rain can turn these downspouts into strong hoses. Water can destroy plant beds and landscaping as they blast out into your yard. We've all seen it in people's yards after heavy rain as the mulch is washed out of the beds into the lawn area. That's a good example of this. There's a chance that your yard's drainage issues are too complex to handle on your own and will require the assistance of a landscape professional with yard drainage solutions. If you think you might have a problem with the drainage on your property, give us a call at the office here, 410-721-2342 for a free consultation. We'll come out and spend 30 minutes. We'll sketch you up what it's going to take to fix your problem and also work you up an estimate, no obligation. If you're thinking that you can do this on your own, watch for our next video. If not, call us. We'll be glad to help you. But watch for the next video, and we'll teach you some more DIY techniques for your drainage problems. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And again, thank you, and we'll see you on the next video. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.